So,
where the hell is this bus?
yeah.
I need to go to Malden to drop off my application.
Yeah, and I'm trying to bust a fat fucking beat, kid, and I'm waiting. Dude, I'm sorry. We agreed that you were gonna do the countdown for me.
I didn't agree on anything.
Yeah, all right. Come on.
What?
I'm trying to drop the beat. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to get all like conflictive and shit, but like, help me out. You're in my practice space and all.
Bus! Bus! Anybody? No, okay, shit.
Woo, that was a rush.
Oh my God!
Hey, kid.
Cockroach!
Kid, you're the nephew of my friend Ronnie, ain't you?
Oh, and you're that toad that I licked in Dorchester. How you doing, man?
Tell your uncle we need to delay our band rehearsal.
What do you mean, Uncle? Oh, you're doing that '80s thing. The don't tell me. The needle nose pliers, right?
Guns and needles.
Yeah, I got some.
Tell your uncle we need to change the date of our rehearsal because my beautiful bride, Beverly, has an emergency trip to Foxwoods.
Yeah. Rehearsal in Foxwoods. Yeah, I got you.
97%. The humidifier is supposed to be at 97%. I don't have lungs. I have to breathe out of my skin.
Ah!
A lungless salamander.
Dude, is this real? Is this happening?
We are in public! Bus!
Dude,
Bus! Do you have lungs?
I don't
What
know.
are they like?
I don't know, acid. I don't know, acid toad. I don't really know what you're going for here.
You.
Oh.
She has wet skin. How is it so moist?
You just get
Where's
Vaseline
the
and you rub it
moisture?
on until
What's
the pores
moisture?
are gone. Okay, that'll do. Over there. You rub it over there.
Beverly,
We're gonna
let's go.
see Engelbert Humperdinck. Engelbert Humperdinck at Foxwood.
Oh shit, you see
We gotta
the
go,
dicks?
Beverly. We gotta go.
Moisture, 97%.
Dude, that was nuts.
Now I gotta go shower in Chelsea's sink before I go anywhere.
Well, before you do, what flavor Vaselines do you have on?
Ah,
I've been looking for
my
a new guy.
God. Bus!
Oh, bus one? Okay. Come on. Okay, look, dude. If this is gonna work out, I need you to count down so I could drop a beat.
Oh, I'll drop a beat.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop a beat. You ready?
Yeah, I'll get started.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3. And
One, two,